Welcome back to TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz, where Solid Base Prep is on 3 points, Emmanuel Christian Academy on 5 points as we head into the Junior Challenge Face-Off. In this section, individual team members face off in the categories of math, science, social studies, and English language. First face-off, it's in mathematics. It's between Crystal Gray of Solid Base Prep. Crystal is up against Ethan Brown of Emmanuel Christian Academy. Crystal, the ratio of boys to girls in a school is 3 to 7. If there are 1,400 students in the school, how many are boys?
4,200.
That's incorrect. Ethan?
Yes, please, 980.
That's also incorrect. It's 420. Crystal, how many times can you get 1/8 from 15 and a half? Question passes. Ethan, want to try?
124 times.
That is correct. Crystal, how many years is the same as 156 weeks?
13.
That's incorrect.
Yes.
Ethan, want to try?
Yes, please, 3 years.
3 is correct. Crystal, what's the equivalent of the Roman numerals M, D, C, C, L, X, I, V?
1,764.
That is correct. Crystal, a sum of money, T, is multiplied by 4 and then added to 6, giving a total of $500. How would you write that information as an equation?
T times 4 plus 6 equals 500.
That's incorrect. Ethan, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's 4T plus 6 equals $500. Ethan, we're now over to you. As part of a recipe, the chef mixes 9 tablespoons of flour to 3 tablespoons of sugar. What fraction of the mixture is sugar?
A third.
That's incorrect. Crystal?
Yes, a quarter.
A quarter is correct. Ethan, how many times can you get a quarter from 24 3/4?
99 times.
That is right. How many weeks is the same as 168 days?
24.
That's correct. Ethan, what's the equivalent of the Roman numerals M, C, M, L, X, X, I, X?
1,979.
That's right. Ethan, a sum of money, X, is multiplied by 7 and then subtracted from $700, giving a total of $200. How would you write that information as an equation?
7x minus 700 equals $200.
That's incorrect. Crystal, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's $700 minus 7x equals $200. That takes us now to face-off number 2. It's in the category of science. It's between Patrice Cameron of Solid Base Prep. Patrice is up against Josiah Scott of Emmanuel Christian Academy. Patrice, by what process do living things get rid of waste material?
Excretion.
That's right. Is the density of a gas usually low, medium, or high?
Low.
That's right. What's the name for the force of air pressing on the surface of any object?
Air pressure.
That's correct. What's the name of the poisonous gas which is formed when fuels, such as gasoline, are not burned completely?
Carbon dioxide.
That's incorrect. Josiah?
No, thank you.
It's carbon monoxide. Patrice, what name is given to gases in the atmosphere that traps heat?
Greenhouse gases.
That is correct. Josiah, we're now over to you. By what process do living things make new organisms?
Reproduction.
That's right. In which 2 states of matter is the volume fixed?
Solid. and liquid.
That's right. What's the name given to rain in which certain waste gases, such as sulfur dioxide, are mixed with water vapor in the air?
Acid rain.
That's correct. CFCs are chemicals which destroy the ozone layer of the atmosphere. What does CFCs stand for?
Chlorofluorocarbon.
That's, well, time's up. Patrice?
Chlorofluorocarbons.
That is correct. Josiah, what name is given to the overheating of the Earth's atmosphere?
Global warming.
That is correct. We're now over to English language. This face-off is between Alexi Blackwood of Solid Base Prep. Alexi's up against Nessia Chambers of Emmanuel Christian Academy. Alexi, what's the comparative of the word well?
Weather.
That's incorrect. Nessia? Want to try?
No, thank you.
Okay, it's better. Alexi, by using the word weather, give an expression which means to be feeling sick.
To be under the weather.
That's right. Spell capacity.
CAPACITY.
That's right. Rewrite this sentence in the present continuous tense. The school closed for the holidays.
The school is closing for the holidays.
That's correct. Apart from cactuses, what's the other plural form of the word cactus?
Cacti.
That is correct. Nessia, over to you. What's the comparative of the word much? Time's up, Alexi.
Yes, please. More.
More is correct. Nessia, by using the word boat, give an expression which means to be late, especially for something important. Question passes, Alexi?
Yes, please. To miss the boat.
To miss the boat is correct. Nessia, spell leisure.
Leisure. Leisure.
That's right. Rewrite this sentence in the past tense. I will go to the movies.
I went to the movies.
That's correct. Apart from persons, what's the other plural form of the word person?
People.
That is correct. Taking us to our final face-off, it's in social studies. It is between Amber Heaven of Solid Base Prep up against Alex Martin of Emmanuel Christian Academy, both of whom are captains of their teams. Captain Amber, we begin with you. What's the middle name of the parliamentarian Peter Phillips? Time's up, Alex.
No, thank you.
It's David. Amber, Sir Garfield Sobers is a Caribbean legend in which sport?
Cricket.
That's right. Jamaicans sit CSEC exams every year. What does CSEC stand for?
Caribbean Secondary Education Certificate.
That's correct. The Piclasel is the highest mountain in which Caribbean country?
Haiti.
That's right. What's the capital of Curacao?
Willemstad.
Judges? That's incorrect. Alex, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's Willemstad. Alex, over to you. What's the middle name of the parliamentarian Peter Bunting?
Noel.
That's incorrect. Amber?
No, thank you.
It's Murcott. Alex, Hazley Crawford is a Caribbean legend in which sport?
Athletics.
That's correct. Jamaicans sit CAPE exams every year. What does CAPE stand for? Time's up, Amber.
Yes, thank you. Caribbean Advanced Proficiency Examination.
That is correct. Alex, Mount Gimme is the highest peak in which Caribbean country?
St. Lucia.
That's right. What's the capital of Bonaire? Time's up. Amber?
Yes, thank you. Kralenjik.
That's incorrect. Right, judges? It's Kralendije. And that was the end of face-off number 4. With Solid Base Prep on 19 points, I have Emmanuel Christian Academy on 18 points. But stay with us. Clearly, anyone's game as we go into the final challenge. We'll be back after this.